Hello everyone, the topic is reagents in organic chemistry. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notifications, like, share among your friends and comment. Dear students, today we can discuss about some of the reagents used in organic chemistry. There are various reagents are used for various purposes. In this session, we can discuss about three reagents. One is called Bayer's reagent, another is Fenton's reagent, and the next one is Lucas reagent. Bayer's reagent is an oxidizing agent that it is an alkaline solution of potassium permanganate. Bayer's reagent is a strong oxidizing reagent which is used to identify the presence of double or triple bonds in a hydrocarbon. That means it is used to identify unsaturation of hydrocarbon compound. For example, when purple color reagent is added to ethylene having double bond, it obtains a colorless solution of ethane 1,2-diol. The equation is shown. Here the two test tube. Solution remains pinkish purple when unsaturated hydrocarbons are absent. When unsaturated hydrocarbons are present, solution turns brown color. Bayer's reagent can be used for oxidation process, detection of glucose, detection of double bond, and reduction process. The next reagent is Fenton's reagent. Fenton's reagent is a mixture of ferrous sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. It is also an oxidizing agent used in organic reactions. For example, glycerol 1,2,3 propane triol undergo oxidation in presence of Fenton's reagent, forms a mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. This mixture is otherwise called as glycerose. Fenton's reagent is a solution of hydrogen peroxide with ferrous ion, typically iron 2 sulfate, that is ferrous sulfate. Here is the reaction. Glycerol, 1,2,3 propane triol or a trihydric alcohol undergo oxidation with Fenton's reagent and form a mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. This mixture is called as glycerose. Fenton's reagent can be used in the conversion of benzene into phenol, barbitric acid into alloxan, used in the hydroxylation of arenes. Fenton's reagent can be used to destroy organic compounds such as trichloroethylene and tetrachloroethylene. Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. How Lucas reagent can be prepared? By adding these two, concentrated hydrochloric acid with the anhydrous zinc chloride in ice bath. Because when we add anhydrous zinc chloride to concentrated hydrochloric acid, heat will liberate. In order to reduce the temperature, ice bath is used. Lucas reagent is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, and the mechanism of Lucas test is SN1 nucleophilic substitution reaction. Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. It is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Here in these three test tubes marked as 1, 2, 3, first test tube primary alcohol is taken, in the second test tube secondary alcohol, and the third test tube tertiary alcohol. When we add Lucas reagent to the primary alcohol, there is no reaction. On adding Lucas reagent to the second test tube, turbidity appears only after 5 to 10 minutes or on heating. On adding Lucas reagent to the tertiary alcohol in the third test tube, see immediate turbidity appears. The mechanism of Lucas test is SN1 nucleophilic substitution reaction and has two steps. In step 1, the OH group belonging to the alcohol is protonated by the hydrochloric acid. Now, since chlorine is a stronger nucleophile than water, it replaces the resulting water molecule attached to the carbon. This leads to the formation of a carbocation. In step 2, the chlorine anion now attacks the carbocation and forms an alkyl chloride. This alkyl chloride is insoluble and hence turns the solution turbid or white precipitate. Dear students, we discussed about three reagents in this session like Bayer's reagent, Fenton's reagent and Lucas reagent. I hope you could understand what are these three reagents and the reactions and uses of these reagents. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we can discuss about Schiff's reagent, Hinsberg reagent and Grignard reagent. Don't forget to leave a like and please subscribe my channel.